Disclaimer. Hello everyone! So, in Beyblade X, Kazami Bird keeps on getting his ass kicked. However, with the newly released HellsChain, we will be getting revenge against the previous Bays past that Bird has lost to, and see if Chain can avenge Bird. Anyways, before I continue with this video, we got our store, mallofbays.com. Did you know we have an extreme sale going on? If you purchase 3 items, you get a 15% discount, and also there's like, you know, some other sales like the Burst stuff that's separate from this, the 15% discount, the Winter Blowout. It is an optional way to support the channel. I appreciate any support regardless. So the first opponent is going to be based off kind of the manga, but since that beta doesn't exist, we're going to base it off the anime, which is, was a Takumi, where he basically had a variant of the Knight Shield, and we're going to get my revenge now. 3, 2, 1, shoot!
I would like to see that revenge.
Don't worry, it's first to 4, by the way.
Okay, see you later, alligator. Oh no, what is happening to mine? It's going down. Yeah.
Oh my god, you got the first 3, jump, shoot! Wow, I couldn't hear you over losing.
That's
wow.
Alright, that's
2,
all right.
1.
Yeah.
3, jump, shoot! Oh my god, oh my god, oh shit.
Yeah.
Hit him, yeah, come
down,
on.
sweetie. It's time for you to go down, please.
Oh my god, now it's 2, 2.
Yeah.
3, jump, shoot! Oh my god! Oh my god, wow, the abuse these bays went through, holy shit, that was a big war.
It's mine. You gotta be mine. Come on.
Hey,
You gotta be mine.
hey, well, it's not.
I know it's not, but I want it to be.
Well, actually, it might be, I don't know. It depends how much you tilt now. Wait, wait!
Ew. It's mine.
3, 2, 3, hey, hey, hey!
Sorry. Teaching you.
3, don't shoot! Come on, Chain. Oi, oi, oi. No! Fuck! Next up, it's Wizard Arrow. I won't be losing. Are you ready?
Don't you just wish?
3, 2, 1, shoot!
Oh god.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
That is horrible.
That is fantastic.
Yeah,
that is
yeah.
beautiful.
What?
3, 2, 1, shoot! Oh my god! This is it! HellsChain!
See you later.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Hey, don't. How dare you? Okay, next one, you're dead. You're dead. Yeah, it's 3, 3.
Oh, okay, sorry.
3, 2, 1, shoot! So I've gotten my revenge against Wizard Arrow. Very nice.
No, it's not.
Yeah, well then. Next up is Shark Edge. Now, depending on how you use this bay, you'll either beat me or you will fail. 3, 2, 1, shoot! F off, man. 3, 2, 1, shoot! Hey, hello?
But you could have put me in the pocket.
Don't shoot! Oh my god, man. What do we say about the camera, man? Not my equipment.
Yeah, another one of yours.
Shoot! Don't shoot!
Amazing.
Now we're gonna try.
Okay.
3, don't shoot! Don't shoot! And set. 3, don't shoot! Okay, the first real round against Rhino. What are we saying? What are we saying? It's gonna be light work. 3, don't shoot! Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a light bay.
Don't shoot!
You're going out. You must go
I'm
out.
not.
Oh my god!
Well,
Okay, it's yours.
that means in total now, that is 2 and 2. So because I only lost against 2 bays, Sark and Shield, we're gonna make things interesting now. I'm not using a grip, so you're gonna first use shield. Oh, shit. The way it moves so crazy.
Yeah. You're crazy, but you're just getting yourself hurt.
Well, that's a little bit weird to say if I'm gonna win this.
I know. Please.
Why would you say I'm gonna lose if I'm winning?
Whatever.
But you were right.
Okay.
So now 1-0. 3, don't shoot. Hey, hey! Good attack. I don't even know what you were doing there.
Yeah. I just want to take
Oh
you
my
out.
god. Okay.
Cookie.
You are
See ya.
cooking this bait.
Very good.
No, okay. 3, don't shoot.
Oh, sorry.
What do you mean?
Mire, he went down.
What?
Anda.
3, don't shoot.
Okay.
Alrighty, lose. 3, 2, 1, go shoot.
Yeah.
Sorry, I had to keep on adjusting the camera because the base went wild.
Yeah.
Shoot. Mako Maiden proves to be the toughest one to date. Will I get my victory revenge? Let's see.
I hope not.
I do. Okay, now I just need
2-2.
3 don't shoot. Oh my god. Oh my god. That was anxiety. That was anxiety.
Yeah.
That was like that meme when the guy like pretends to try to go out the window. That was Hell Scythe right there.
3-2.
Actually, it's HellsChain.
Okay, the last one. Only if you win.
Once he wins. 3 don't shoot. Oh my god.
That was beautiful.
I nearly KO'd you, but you came back.
And I hit the camera with the
I know you did. That's why I have to adjust.
Yes.
Okay. 3 don't shoot. Shark! Yes! Oh my god, but HellsChain is kind of like almost kryptonite to shark. Like, look at how much it eats off a shark. And shark's kind of nuclear in general, but still. 3 don't shoot. Oh shit! Yeah, so with that being said, this was a pretty fun idea of a video. I actually had this for a while once I saw HellsChain. Just the idea that because Bird has like a different sports gear, he can maybe try to avenge himself because he keeps on losing. Hopefully with Chain, you know, obviously narratively works towards eventually more wins. But that'll be it for now. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. I think my favorite battle in this was the Shark Edge, easily the most entertaining. And yep, that'll be it for now. Take care and bye.